Good morning students. My name is Kanchan Bala. Students, as you all know, this is a challenging time of COVID-19. We have to be very careful because it's our duty to stop spreading the virus. So, we have to follow COVID-19 appropriate behavior to keep ourselves and our families safe. First, we have to wear mask properly, especially in public places. 2. Stay at least 6 feet from others. 3. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. 4. Remember, do not touch your face. Do not share your food and drinks with others. Today we are going to learn something very different, something very interesting. Today's topic is so much interesting. Now you want to know what is the topic. You also guess what is the topic. By seeing these pictures, can you tell me what are you going to learn today? Yes, here we have diary, pen, and second picture shows that somebody is writing something. This is diary and writing. So, what is the topic? Yes, it is diary writing. It is going to be very interesting. So today we are going to learn how to write diary writing. So ready to learn. Let's begin. So what is diary writing? If you go for a movie, if you visit any beautiful place or hill station, or you enjoyed with your friends on that day, you can write it in a paper. How do you enjoy that day? How beautiful was that place? This is for diary writing. So students, there is a format for writing diary. So today we will learn what is the format also. Why should we learn diary writing? Why do I write diary? Do you know why do I write diary? Yes, to understand myself better, to help myself become a better person, to keep a record of things that happens in my life. So, what is diary writing? A diary writing is a section of writing within your diary that is organized by day. Diary entries can vary in length, topic and format. Now, a diary can be based on a personal experience, daily happenings or any important event of personal or public life. So, it is a personal experience that you are going to write in a diary writing. Is it clear? Most of the great men keep diaries in which they record their daily happenings and other important activities. So, most of the famous personalities, they have the habit of writing diary writing every day. And we come to know about the lives of great people through the information recorded in their diaries. Okay? Next, start the diary writing by writing the date in the corner or on the first line so you can see when you wrote the entry, when you look back on it later. Then you can start by writing Dear Diary, or you can just start by writing the incident and then writing about a topic that's in your mind, like an event that happened or a feeling that you are having. So students, what is the most famous diary? Do you know? The most famous diary is of Anne Frank's diary. Okay? The diary of a young girl with more than 31 million copies sold in 67 languages. The Diary of a Young Girl, best known as The Diary of Anne Frank, is often said to be the most widely read book in the world outside of the Bible. Now, let's learn about the format, how to write the diary writing. First of all, you will write a date. So, which date you will write? The date when you are going to write the diary. Okay? Then day also. And after day, you have to write the time. Mostly diary entering we write at night time before we go to sleep. Then you have to leave the line. Then you have to write salutation, dear diary. It's not compulsory to write salutation. It's your own choice. You want to write salutation or not. Okay? Then you have to write body. In the main body, you can write an event you're feeling towards it. Use I. In next paragraph, you have to write conclusion. Then leave a line. And in next line, write your name. Let me tell you language features for diary writing. Written in first person. Written in past tense. Use of powerful verbs, adjectives and adverbs. Use of informal and everyday language. Frequent use of exclamation mark. Let me show you a sample diary entry. First of all, date, day and time. And after that, leave a line. Then, dear diary. It was a beautiful day today. I went on a picnic with my friends. As usual, Priya entertained us with her jokes. But I don't know what was wrong with Simran. She was very quiet today. I thought of asking her the reason many times, but I didn't, thinking she may not want to share her problem on a picnic. I will ask her tomorrow. I have to get up early tomorrow for my yoga classes. So, good night. Then leave a line and name. Here I mentioned XYZ and you have to write your own name here. But in exams you can write XYZ. Taking help from the information given below, make a diary entry. On your school way to school today, you found a boy washing the utensils in a tea shop. You felt bad for him. Here a situation is given and you have to write diary according to the situation, according to the topic that given to you. Look at the answer. First of all, mention date, day and time. Then leave a line. Dear diary, today I saw a small boy in a tea shop. He must be of 12 or 13 years old. He was washing utensils and looked tired and sad. His owner made him to wash utensils continuously. I thought he should be like me, studying in a school. Why does he have to work at this age? I could not understand. As soon as I reached home, I asked my mother about him. She said he may not have anyone at home earning for their living. She also said that it is illegal to make children to do labor work. It is also banned under the Child Labor Act. I want him to go to school like me and my friends. After that, you have to leave the line and mention your name. Here I mention XYZ and you have to write your own name. But in exams, you have to write XYZ in place of your name. Is it clear? Let me remind you again about the format. First of all, date, day and year must be mentioned on the top of the page. Then, time will be mentioned in the next line. Then leave a line. After that, you have to write Dear Diary. Then body. Contents of the diary should be brief. Entries should look like real and natural. One's own reaction to the situation should be written. After that, leave a line and then mention your name in next line. Students, date, day, year, time, salutation and name. All these parts will be mentioned on the left side of the page. Is it clear? I hope you understood the topic and able to write diary on any topic or any situation. Thank you.